Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius Air Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. What's the messages for Aquarius and what's going on? Aquarius, what's going on? Hermit, the Sun, and Ace of Wands. Right now, you are not talking with anyone. Maybe you are undergoing some transformation or you are undergoing some healing process. You are seeing everything in detail, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Virgo or Gemini or Cancer, especially, and Leo. So, after transformation, there is big happiness is coming into towards. Yes, there is big happiness is coming towards you. But right now, you are going through some transformation phase. So let's see your reading recent past, Magician, Hangman, and the Lovers. In recent past, maybe you are trying to manifest something into your life. You're feeling stuck. And there is love between both of you because the Lovers card is here. For some, it could be about more physical than emotional. But you are feeling stuck. For some, you are undergoing some awakening regarding this relationship. Then present Ten of Swords, Chariot with Nine of Cups. So you're feeling tight, you're feeling sad. Maybe the relationship between you and your person is very, very slow moving. Maybe you only taking care of this relationship. What is good about the present situation is your wishes are going to be granted because Nine of Cups is here, wish fulfillment. Maybe for some, the other cases, your wishes are not becoming true. That's why you're feeling sad. You're feeling tired because it is in very slow moving energy, not going anywhere, that type of situation. Then future Five of Wands, the Tower, and Five of Cups. Lot of drama is going Aquarius in this relationship, especially Tower moment you are going through. Maybe right now you decided to move on. Maybe they decided to move on. The separation. Yeah, you are feeling sad. You are going through some Tower moment. But this is not a permanent. Then you undergoing some transformation. Then happiness is coming. Because every ending is a new beginning. So definitely you are going through some Tower moment in near future, but after that there is major happiness is coming into your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini or Virgo. So guys, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person, Aquarius. So under the deck, Seven of Cups with Page of Swords. Right now your person is confused or they have options. They have to choose from those and they are spying on you. Yes, they are spying on you. So let's see. For some children's also involved in this connection. So let's see their current feelings. Aquarius. Strong Cancer energy. The person involved in this connection could be Cancer or Sagittarius. Yeah. So this time your person patiently waiting to make a move towards you. Yeah, maybe they are in slow moving energy, but Three of Pentacles. They're thinking about to work on this relationship and collaboration with you. And the Fool, Chariot, and Ace of Swords. So they want to give clarity and they want to communicate with you and they want brand new beginnings. the Fool card. New beginnings with you, and they are patiently waiting for something in this connection. Maybe they want to make a move in your right time. Yes. So let's see their intentions. But there are some trust issues between you and your person. Yes. Especially you are not trusting this person. Six of Swords with Knight of Swords, but they are in rushing to communicate with you, Aquarius. But Seven of Swords, maybe you are not trusting this person because Seven of Swords is a very sneaky energy. Maybe they have regrets now what they did to you in past. They hurt you, but now they're wanting you back. Now they're wishing for you. And Three of Swords, now they're missing you so much, Aquarius. They're missing you so much and they're wishing for this connection. But trust issues also. Maybe they are not taking responsibility. Yeah, they hurt you in past, but again they're wanting you back. They're wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups. Yeah, and Knight of Swords. They want to communicate with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Knight of Wands with Six of Swords. Again Knight of Swords. So definitely they want to fix the things between both of you guys and they are rushing to communicate with you. And Knight of Wands. Lot of attraction, lot of passion towards you. Maybe once you're gone, they're realizing your worth. You are deciding to holding back. You are not opening Six of Swords. Maybe you decided to move on, but they're coming to fix the things between both of you. But you decide you are not open up emotionally, but you're thinking about them. Yes, you're also thinking about them. Maybe you both have strong soulmate connection. So let's see mutual. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. See, again, Seven of Swords. 2 times came Seven of Swords in this reading. And Six of Wands with the 10 of Pentacles. There is love and there is no trust. Love, hate and love situation, what I'm getting here. You both want success in this connection, but there is no trust. Definitely trust issues between both of you guys. Yeah, there is love. At the same time, there is no trust between both of you. Especially Aquarius, you are not trusting this person. You are not trusting their words. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. So it's totally up in your hands. Decision is in your hands, Aquarius. If you accept or reject, it's totally up to you. Twin Flames, reconciliation, all I want is you, don't leave me behind, healing, and I can't let you go. So the messages are Twin Flames, reconciliation, all I want is you, don't leave me behind, healing, and I can't let you go. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A new romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. Libra energy. And a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. Definitely there is some situation, there is a solution for some problems, especially personal issues reaches resolution and a new romantic cycle begins. Yes. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.